To activate two-factor authentication with an Android device, we add your @ripon.edu Google account to your phone. For that, open Settings. Select Google, and then select the down-facing arrow. If your @ripon.edu account is on the list, you can skip the sign-in process. Otherwise, select the Add Another Account button. Sign in to your @ripon.edu account as usual. Click I agree. Now we recommend you do the following steps on a desktop or laptop. Once on our desktop, we open our @ripon.edu Gmail inbox. Then click on your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. We open the Security tab and select Two-Step Verification. When we click on Get Started, Google will ask us for our password again. In the new screen, ensure your mobile device is on the list of devices that can get prompts, then select Continue. Now we will receive a prompt on our phone. This is what that looks like. In this case, we will select Yes. Back on our computer, we need to select our backup option. You can choose to have a code sent through a phone call to your office, or in our case, a message sent to your cell phone. Now we will receive a message or a phone call, depending on the option you chose, with a code. Here is an example. We will take the numbers in the code and input them in the text field. Finally, we can select Turn On to activate our two-factor authentication.